It looks like that Mary, aka Áine, has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Horses, donkey, no sheep. Where are the sheep? I'm gonna have to try and do the call. I'm gonna have to fake that it's dinner time when it's not dinner time yet. Fingers crossed they come back. I don't want to go traipsing across fields for them. I'm not ready yet. I have too much to do. Hang on. Sheep! Come! Sheep! Come! Oh, the bowsies! They're in the next field. I can see them. Look at them. I see a little head through the hedge. Sheep! Come! Can you hear them? Sorry, I'm very loud. The horses are like, what's going on? Big one! Go fetch the sheep. Come on. Sheep cat. Go fetch sheep. Now. Go! Yeah, that's really helpful, Big Ron. Thanks so much. Really helpful. Bang on my boots. Here we go! Sheep! Term silly sheep. Yeah, quite appropriate right now. And as we speak, my baby socks, my little socks that I had under my runners, which I had to throw on my boots on with, are now making their way towards my toes. If anyone, I hate it. Anyone knows that's not a good feeling. There's a reason why we don't wear these socks out on the farm. Note to self, we'll not do that again, although this was not planned. This is why, folks, I don't need to go to the gym. Things like this. Come on, silly. Come on, Clover, come on. Oh, you silly gooses. Well, silly sheep. Come on, sheep. Come. Apologies for the very loud noises. Mary had 12 little lambs. They're literally, look at them, look. They're literally right behind me. They're on my heels. Oh lordy. Oh, Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Yeah. We've had two slightly different weekend waffles. One inside the cottage and one outside surrounded by sheep. Stop standing on my boots. My socks are far enough down my feet. You couldn't make it up. Come on, yes. Silly sheepy. Come on. Where's Pepper? Come on, Pepper. You're supposed to be. Do not get on my feet. Come on. I'm gonna have to teach you guys some discipline. Yes. Out of control. You lot. Out of control. Do not stand on my feet. Okay, now they're going in front of me. Cheeky. Go on, Clover. There's Pepper. There she is. Come on. Go on, Bobby. Oh, Lord. Yes, Clover. Come on. I know. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Roshi. No, you're Roshi. That's Tom. Okay. Come on. Let's do it. Mayhem. I know. How am I going to get the food in here without you guys getting all over your head? This is the problem. Okay, mind out, Shauna. Mind, Shauna. Mind. Good girl. Okay. Okay, mind out. Absolute mayhem. Pepper, here, you've that. Good girl. Clever girl. You knew there was a bit in the bucket, didn't you? Yeah. Do you know what that is? Look, Clever. Here. Good girl. No? Okay. Clever. You are such a cheeky girl. Huh? Yes. Shauna. Still don't have a name for this girl. She's lovely. Very speckledy as well. Yes, you're Clover. That's Pepper. That's Sean. No, that's Mary. Sean is over there. That's Roisin. Tom and Dara, the two boys. There's still a few to name, so you can put some suggestions in the comments. Clover, do you want that? No? You're not sure. Okay. Hang on. Go. Oh, survived. Now, bold sheep, do not do that again. Do not go off on me again. Yes, that is not your field. Little gypsies heading off on me.